In this video, I'm going to help you limit the number of people that can send you friend requests on Facebook. So this is very simple and easy to do. Now let me show you guys how to do this. You can do this on your mobile phone, you can do this on your PC. In this tutorial, I'll be opting for a laptop or a PC tutorial. So just follow, you get to know how to go with it. Let's move to our settings here. Good. So on our settings here, now let's scroll down here. So on here, we move to this section, how people find and contact you. So on this place, you can even choose to, prevent people from seeing your friend list. So here, who can send you friend requests? So in my settings, it's everyone. So here you can limit it to friends of friends. So in this case, people that are your friend on Facebook, that's their friends that can only send you friend requests. You get me? So mostly Facebook is for family and friends, but sometimes you get people from different countries sending you friend requests. So in my case, let's say I have my family members to be my friends. So people that can send me friend requests are people that are friends of my family members on Facebook. That's it. So now we proceed to save here, and we are good to go. So in this case, if you are not a friend of my friends, you can never send me a friend request. You can hop on my profile, you're not going to see send friend request option for you to send me a request. So that's it. If you are new here, do well to like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.